Hello everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon and elderflower cake, which is what they're actually serving at the royal wedding of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. Raise your hands if you're jealous that you have not married a prince. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm so excited for her. I'm so happy for her. This is amazing. And I thought that it'd be so much fun to show you guys how to make this cake. It's so delicious and like lightly floral, but perfect. I can totally understand why they chose this as their wedding cake. Initially I was like, why didn't they just choose chocolate? But now I understand. It's so delicate and so delicious, and it's perfect if you want to enjoy and celebrate with them at home, or if you're just curious what it tastes like. So let's get started. So first, to bake the cake, you want to beat some butter and sugar with an electric mixer until it's pale and smooth. Add some vanilla extract, some lemon zest and juice, some elderflower syrup, and I got this on Amazon and I'll have it linked in the description box below. And eggs one at a time, mixing with each addition. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt, and add this to the batter in 2 additions, alternating with the sour cream. Spoon the batter into 3 greased and floured 6-inch round cake pans, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the centers comes out clean, and then cool completely. To make the buttercream, beat the butter with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add some vanilla extract, lemon zest, and confectioner sugar 1 cup at a time, beating with each addition, and then beat for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's light and fluffy. Next, we're going to make a syrup, and so what this is for is to brush the cakes after they're finished baking, and it will add an additional kind of elderflower flavor. So you don't need to like measure for this. I kind of just like go by eye. So we're gonna add 1 part of elderflower syrup to 2 parts of hot water, and just mix that together, and then set that aside. Then to assemble the cake, you want to slice the tops and bottoms off the cakes to smooth the surface and remove any excess browning. Place the first cake on your work surface and then brush generously with that syrup that we made. Spread some buttercream on top of the surface, then repeat with another layer of cake, syrup, buttercream, and then add the final layer of cake, but don't brush the surface with the syrup. Coat the entire cake in a thin layer of buttercream called a crumb coat, and this is going to catch any excess cake crumbs. So you can see all the little crumbs stuck in the buttercream. That's why we do this step, so that those crumbs won't show up on the outer layer of buttercream. Then pop the cake in the fridge for 20 minutes for the buttercream to chill. Then coat the cake in a thick, generous layer of buttercream, and use a palette knife to smooth the sides of the cake, and then just top with some fresh flowers, and you are done! So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. I actually have lemon and elderflower chocolates coming out in my Etsy shop. I don't know when at the time of filming this intro, but it will be here on the screen. The date will be here when they go on sale, and I'll have a link to my shop at the end of the video in case you want to try them out. So if you like the idea of lemon and elderflower but you don't want to buy the syrup because it comes in like a massive bottle, I'm selling chocolates that taste like them. So definitely head to my shop on Etsy. The chocolates are delicious. I love them so much. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell, because I upload 5 days a week, and I'm actually thinking of getting into daily vlogging. I have like a vlogging camera bookmarked on my computer. I'm like, should I get it? I don't know. Let me know if you guys want to see like what I actually do. I feel like there's a lot of stuff that I do that I don't show you guys, and that I don't know, I could be bonding with you guys better. So let me know if you want to see that. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. I love you so much, and yeah, let me know. Actually, comment down below or send me photos on Instagram or Twitter if you try out this cake and let me know what you think. Anyways, thank you so much, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow.